Welcome to the lecture. If you want to become certified Solidworks professional and you want to accelerate your career, you want to stand out on the job interview, you have to pass Solidworks certification exam. How to take this exam and how to pass this exam, find out on the end of this lecture. If you find this video useful, click like and subscribe. In the previous lecture, we showed how we can add an existing forming tool. In this lecture, we're going to show how we can create a new forming tool. So first we have to create a 3D solid part, and then we have to convert this solid part to a forming tool. In reality, this can be quite expensive to create custom-made forming tool. So you have to keep that in mind. So this is our sheet metal component, and now we're going to create first a new part. So let's go here, and let's go with the part file. So let's go on the front plane, let's create a new sketch. Let's go here with a circle, like this. Let's go to the smart dimension. Let's go here with 150. Like this. Now let's go here to the features, extrude boss base. Let's go with the default depth. Let's click OK. Like this. Now we can select this face and we can create a new sketch now. On this face, let's go normal 2. Let's select circle again. Like this. Let's go with a smart dimension. Let's go here with 40. Like this. Now let's go to the features again, extrude boss base. Like this. Now let's go here with 30. Let's click OK. Like this. Now let's go here to the fillet. Let's select this edge. So here we're going to apply a fillet. Let's go here with 20 millimeters. Let's click OK. Like this. Let's select fillet again. Now let's go to this edge here, but let's go here with 5. And let's click OK. Now we're going to delete this boss extrude one, this one here. We only use this so we can create a fillet. So we can open here, we can select the sketch one. We can go to the features, extrude cut, like this. Let's go to the other direction. Let's go with 10 millimeters, like this. Let's click OK. Like this. Now let's create a new sketch on this face. So let's go with a sketch. Let's go normal 2. And let's go here with a circle. Let's go with circle here, like this. Let's put dimension. Let's go with 10 millimeters. And let's exit the sketch. Like this. Now with this sketch, we're going to split this face here. So let's right click here on those tabs. Let's open here, analysis preparation. And here we have a split line tool. So let's select this tool. So first we're going to select here this sketch. And then here we're going to select the face to split this face. Let's click OK. Like this. And now here we have two faces, this one here and this one here. And this is our part. Now we have to convert this part to forming tool. So let's go here to the sheet metal. And here we have a tool, forming tool. So with this tool, we can convert a solid part to a forming tool. So let's select this tool. And first, what we have to define here is stopping face. So what is a stopping face? Stopping face is used for defining the stopping face of the forming tool where it stops when inserted on sheet metal component. And our stopping face will be this face here. And then we have to select face to remove. We can select face to remove, or we don't have to select face to remove. As we seen in the first lecture of this chapter, here we have some forming tools with faces to remove. You can see the red face, and some forming tools don't have red face. But we're going to add a red face. We're going to add a face to remove. We're going to select this face here, this one here, like this. So face to remove is used for defining a face or faces of the forming tool to be removed when inserted on a sheet metal component. Now let's go here to the next step, and this is insertion point, like this. And now we can see that the insertion point is right here at the origin, and this is what we want, like this. And if we are satisfied with this, we can go with OK. And now here we have three colors. We have here cyan color, so the stopping phase appears in cyan color. Then here we have a red color, so phase to be removed appears in red color. And yellow phases are forming phases. Now we have created a new forming tool. Now we have to save this forming tool. So let's go to the file, save as, let's call it new FT, new forming tool. So automatically Solidworks opens in bosses folder. If we want to save it here, we can save it as a part and the Solidworks will recognize this part as a forming tool. If you want to save this in some other folder, then you have to select here form tool type, because if you save it as a part, Solidworks won't recognize it as a forming tool. But since we are saving here in the embosses folder, we can save it as a part, new FT. Let's go with a save. Now let's go back to our sheet metal component, this one here. Now we can see that here we don't have our forming tool, so we can go here to forming tools again. Let's select again embosses, like this. And now here we can find new FT, new forming tool. We can select this forming tool and we can put it here on this face, like this. We can go here with flip tool, like this. Let's click OK. And now as you can see, here we have a stopping phase. Here we have forming phases, and this phase has been removed. This phase here was red and now is removed, as you can see. And this is our new forming tool that we have created. And now you can always have this forming tool and you can use it whenever you want. But you have to be careful, custom-made forming tools in real life are expensive. So this is how you can create your own forming tool. Hey, my name is Alan. Thank you for watching this lecture. Please like and subscribe if you like the video. If you want to become a Solidworks professional, if you want to earn a Solidworks official certificate, then you have to pass Solidworks certificate exam. This can help you to get a better job, to negotiate a better salary, and to accelerate your career. In order to earn Solidworks certificate, you have to pass the exams. I have courses that can prepare you for the exams. I have enrolled over 30,000 students. The rating I have for professional exam is 4.9. I have preparation for Solidworks Professional, finite element analysis, surface, sheet metal, and drawings. In courses, you will find all of the tools explained. You will find exercises, examples, and samples exam, the similar one you can find on the real exam. Right now, I have a special offer, and this is if you buy one course for $10, you will get one course for free that you want. As well, if you refer any course to someone else, you can earn 50% per course. This way you can make passive income. So if you want to get Solidworks certifications and you want to prepare for those exams, click the link below, check my website, and like and subscribe this video.